Hello everyone, I am Muid Ahmed Siddiqui, and in this video I will explain trade discount and cash discount. Now trade discount is a discount that is given because of the terms of the trade or the nature of the trade, the nature of the transaction. For example, one of the examples of trade discount is bulk purchase discount is bulk purchase discount is bulk purchase discount or bulk discount. Now, bulk discount is a discount that is given by the seller when buyer purchases a large quantity than the other buyers. Then normally what other buyers purchase. So bulk purchase discount is given because of the large quantity that the buyer purchases from the supplier. The buyer purchases from the seller. So this is an example. This is an example of trade discount. This is an example of trade discount. Now remember one thing about trade discount, that this is a reduction in the cost of goods owing to the nature of the trading transaction. Reduction in the cost of goods, reduction in the price of goods because of the nature of the trading transaction, because of the nature of the transaction, nature of the trading transaction. A customer, here you can see here some examples of trade discount are already mentioned. A customer might be quoted $1 per unit for a particular item, but a lower price of 95 cents per unit if 100 units or more are purchased at a time. Now, for example, you go to a supplier, you go to one of your suppliers and you ask to buy something from you ask for something to buy. The supplier tells you that if you buy less than 100 units, then you will have to pay a price of $1. But if you buy 100 units or more than that, then I will reduce the price from $1 per unit to, let's say, 90 cents per unit. This is a trade discount. This discount, why the supplier is offering you this discount? Because you are purchasing a larger quantity, you are buying a larger quantity, you are making a bulk purchase. So a trade discount, this is an example of a trade discount. Another example, an important or regular customer might be offered a discount on all the goods he buys, regardless of the size of each order, because his total purchases over time are so large. Now, let's suppose that you buy things, you make purchases from one of your suppliers and you do it frequently. You make frequent purchases, like every week perhaps, or every month. You go to the you approach that supplier for something and you buy goods from him. Because of your customer loyalty, because of your loyalty towards that supplier, he or she agrees to give you discount. This is also because of the nature of the transaction. Why? Because the supplier, now here the supplier is giving you discount. Why? Because you are making frequent purchases from the supplier. You buy on a regular basis from the supplier. So this is also an example of a trade discount. So here we saw two examples of trade discount. One is the bulk purchase discount, and the other is the frequent or regular purchase discount given because of the regular purchase. Discount uh, discount owing to frequent or regular purchases. Frequent and regular purchases. So this is another example of trade discount. A discount that is given because of the frequent regular purchases, frequent transactions. You are trading with the supplier on a regular basis. Trading with the suppliers on regular basis, thus therefore receiving a discount because of the loyalty towards the supplier. So this is another example. Other than the bulk purchase discounts, this is another example of trade discount, that we are receiving discounts. Why? No, or you can say the buyer is receiving discounts from the seller. Why? Because he is making frequent purchases, regular purchases from the supplier. Now moving forward, we have cash discounts. We have cash discount. Now cash discount or settlement discount, this is also referred to as early payment discount. This is also referred to as early payment discount, cash discount, also called settlement discount, or early payment discount. Now let me make it more clear with the help of an example. Now let's suppose we are a company and we sell goods on credit basis. We make all our sales on credit basis to our clients, but we have some uh, we have some conditions attached to our sales. We have some conditions attached to our sales transactions or the sales agreements that we make with that we enter into with our clients. We say, for example, we make an offer to our clients, and we say that if that we will allow you a discount of 15% if you make payment, 15% discount if you make payment within, let's say, 15 days, and 10% discount if you make payment within 25 days. But no discount will be offered, after this period. of 25 days. No discount will be offered. So why we are offering this discount? Why we are offering this discount? Because we want our customers to pay us as early as possible. That's why we are offering these discounts. We want our customers to make payments at their earliest. That's why we are offering these discounts. And such discounts are called cash discounts, settlement discounts, or early payment discounts. Settlement discounts or early payment discounts or early discounts. Okay. So this is what a cash discount is all about. You can see in the you can easily see in the FA1 study text here. We have examples of cash discount or settlement discount. Now, for example, a reduction in the amount payable to the supplier in return for immediate or very early payment in cash rather than purchase on credit. Now, these discounts are more common where there are credit sales, where there are sales on credit basis. We are making sales to our clients, companies that make sales to their customers, companies that make sales to their clients, and they give them some time to make payment. That's credit sales. They make credit sales. So these discounts are more commonly found in companies that allow their customers some credit period to make payment. Now, as these companies want their customers to make payments at their earliest, that's why these companies offer them discounts. For example, a supplier might charge $1,000 for goods but offer a cash discount of 10% if the goods are paid for immediately in cash, or 5% if they are paid for within 7 days of the invoice date. This is now, you can easily see here that this example is almost the same as the example that I showed you here, that I showed you in this on this digital board. So this is what cash discount is all about. Uh, Prompting customers, encouraging customers to make early payments, encouraging customers to make early payments for the amounts that they owe. Now, remember another point, that a cash discount is on payable. A cash discount is on payable. With, yes, a cash discount is on payable. For example, let's say one of your customers, now let's suppose that you buy something from one of your suppliers. You have to make payment, and you have to make payment. Or let's say we have a creditor. Let's say we have a creditor, and we have to, and the creditor is to, and the creditor has promised to pay us in 30 days time. In 30 days time. So the discount that we will offer, the discount that we will offer to this creditor for making an early payment, and a creditor is our accounts payable, the discount that we will offer this creditor is will be known as a cash discount. And when we will allow the creditor to settle his account for a discounted payment, then we will then we will record the transaction uh, in double entry using then we will record the transaction by entering a double entry: cash debit, cash debit, accounts payable debit, accounts payable debit, and discount. Yes, discount. Wait a minute, wait a minute. uh, Cash, sorry, I'm really sorry, I forgot, I really sorry. This is not a creditor, but in fact this is a debtor. Okay, just forget about it, I'm really sorry, I forgot something. Now, cash discounts, remember one thing. Okay, leave all this, remember one thing, that cash discounts are given to accounts receivable. For example, accounts receivable, or to our debtors. Account receivables are also called our debtors. So let's suppose that we allow one of our debtors, one of our accounts receivables, a discount. We will record this transaction by the double entry: cash debit, discount allowed, debit, and accounts receivable. And accounts receivable credit. And accounts receivable: cash debit, discount allowed debit, and accounts receivable credit. Now, we have allowed a discount. We have allowed a discount to our, to one of our debtors. This discount that we have allowed to one of our debtors is a cash discount. Why? Because another name of cash discount is settlement discount. Is settlement discount. In this example, we allowed the debtor to settle his or her account at an amount that was less than the actual amount owed to us, than the actual amount that the debtor promised to pay us initially. For example, initially, when the when this debtor entered into the agreement, he or she agreed to pay, let's suppose, $1,000. Let's suppose $1,000. But afterwards, we allowed him, for some reason we allowed him to settle his or her account at $800. In this way, we allowed the debtor to take a discount of $200, to avail a discount of $200. So this is a cash discount. In this way, the debtor settled his or her account at a price, at a value less than the amount originally owned, the amount that he actually agreed to pay initially. So this is a settlement discount. This is a settlement discount. So the discount, the point that I am trying to make here is that the discount that we allow to our accounts receivable already to our debtors who owe us some amounts, or the discounts that we get from our credit suppliers to the parties to whom we owe money, to whom we owe money, we uh, are liable to make payments. The discounts that we get from our credit suppliers, from our creditors to whom we are liable to make payments, then these discounts, such discounts are also settlement discounts or cash discounts. So in this video, I tried to explain cash discounts and trade discounts. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you need any help, and hope to see you soon.